Let's make a decorative adjustable strap for the Amara tote, and welcome if you are new here. Start by folding the long edges of your fabric strap toward the center and pressing. Tuck the short ends inward and clip everything in place. Lay the webbing over the center on the wrong side, covering the folded edges completely. Trim the webbing to match your fabric. Lightly burn the trimmed edges of the webbing to prevent fraying. Pin it down. Then, top stitch along both edges of the webbing with the decorative side facing up. I'm using brown thread on top and blue in the bobbin. Iron it flat. See you in the next video.